As you heard, I acquired a spinal injury from a road crash about 2.5 decades ago. But what saddens me, even as I sat back and I listened from testimony to testimony, and especially donors, the variables are still the same 2.5 decades ago. When I was involved in a crash, I was well belted, I was seated at the back, middle. Our driver was observing speed, well licensed, vehicle in proper condition. But a driver who was in a hurry to overtake a truck came to the wrong side, speeding, and like they say, the rest is history. I didn't know what happened. I woke up in a hospital bed. But as I was told the story, we were at Voi, we were headed to Malindi in a private vehicle. We were taken to Voi Hospital. Of course, I had injured my spine. I had ruptured my intestines. At the scene, I wasn't lucky like we saw from St. John's that there was an ambulance 5 minutes away. Between Voi Hospital, then it was a district hospital with very few facilities. It took me like 11 hours to get to Mombasa Hospital, where I got proper attention. This is because from the scene to Voi Hospital, they observed and realized my case was too serious. Injustice when you have a crash, and especially when you are injured or you lose a loved one, begins at the scene of the crash. Why did I take 11 hours to get help? Could it have been different if I got help within 5 minutes? You get into hospital, you exhaust your insurance, and woe unto you if you lose a loved one. Like I said, I work with spinal injury, so my work is a lot with victims. I know many. I could mention Winnie, I could mention Jao, I could mention names. They died before their compensation was processed. You get into hospital, there's no information. Just like my friend, colleague there, don't remember his name, said, I asked a lady to come along with me. She lost a child in a road crash. A 7-year-old child. She told me she would come because she has attended 3 World Day of Remembrances and her case has not been exhausted, so why should she? And there are many of such cases. Information is not available. What does a mother in Kakamega do once they have lost a child? How do they know? What do they do? Who do they go to? Who tells them what to do?